Hey guys, we are going to work on finding least common multiple or review it today. To review finding least common multiple, we see 8 and 5. Remember, multiple is another way to kind of say multiply or thinking big numbers. Now, so when we do this, we're going to put our two numbers we're trying to find the least common multiple of, 8 and 5, and we like to use a chart. When I think of multiply, or multiple, I think of multiply, which means I'm going to just put the numbers up here of how many numbers we multiplied each one by. So for 8, we're going to do this two ways to think about it. You can count up by 8s, or think about it as that multiply. So this one you'd get by 8 times 2, which is 16, 8 times 3, which is 24, 8 times 4, which is 32, 8 times 5, which is 40, 8 times 6, which is 48. I'm going to do the same thing with 5. And again, you could just count up by 5. So you go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I'm going to keep going because I don't see anything in common. 40, and there it is. I see a common number. I'm just going to finish up these up here. And the common number I see is 40. So the least common multiple for 8 and 5 is 40. We got it by flipping out. Remember, multiply, gets bigger as we go. Another thing is, remember, you can multiply as you get through there. So remember, each of these came from a multiplication problem, 3 times 5, 4 times 5, and so on. Okay, thank you. Make sure you got questions, ask your teacher. We're sitting around waiting for your emails. Thank you.